Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Society is often so ambitious about what are they going to solve in the future. Um, what we call a successful life is usually attached to a materialistic behavior that is regardless of gender we're shouting for. But without we realizing it, this kind of society is actually so sacrificing for women. It foreshadows what they can best do and what only women can do, which is homemaking and babysitting. As a man who respects someone based on their responsibility and what they can do, I'm seeing this as an infringement of human rights. I mean basic rights, not human rights. So that's why today I'm going to convey three reasons why we should encourage women to homemaking rather than work outside. The first reason will be the woman's preference itself. The second will be because man is more suitable for this kind of job. And the last reason will be I'm going to point out why pursuing career is so sacrificing for women that is not in marriage. And finally, I will conclude my speech. So the first two reason will be about mother especially, and the last will be about woman in general. So the first move to my first reason, it's about the woman's preference itself. If you can see, women have a biological superiority and also a drawback that a man can't have, which is women can breastfeed their children. And especially if you're having a family, this is just natural that a woman doing this. And according to a report from 323,000 women in 2016, 54% of them choose to stay home rather than working outside. Yes, they choose to work at first, but having a children directly change their preference. So therefore, mm, it's women's own preference that affect their preference to work at home or homemaking. So move to my second reason. That is why husband, a man, is more suitable for this job. If you see a pay gap in US, women only earn 81% of what men can earn in a year. So if a man can earn $10 a year, then a woman will only earn 81. This is average, it can be lower. So if you think about this, women have more responsibility and more hardships than men will have, especially if they're mother, and the reward is not so worthy because it's less than a man earn. So that's why it's more suitable for men to work outside, for many reasons. Yes, their competence and yes, their hardship in natural. So that's why man is more suitable to living their family like this and working outside. And move to my last argument. It's about um, pursuing career is so sacrificing for a woman that is not in marriage because um, if you want to start a career, naturally you're going to start after college, which is on your 20s. But in this space, um, regarding or regardless as job or anything, it's the time you're building relationship for future marriage. And if you are going to be consistent, you will sacrifice one of them. Either you will not be pursuing career, or you will pursuing your career and sacrificing your life. And marriage is so essential as in UK on 22 to 2018. In span of that year, there are a million unmarried women in the span of year 40 and 70. So imagine you're being 70 and you're not married. It's just crazy. So that's why if you're sacrificing your life like this, it won't be worth it about your career. And just like my previous argument, you don't earn as much as men earn. So this is to be considered. And well, can you do both? Well, most likely not really. um, Firstly, you have to be competent, consistent, And secondly, according to a Finland researcher Jan Anfok, a man, um, a majority of it, will consider a woman of their age or younger to be their partner. And so, if you're going to pursuing your career, but also building a relationship after that, you will likely to have another competitor. Well, there are heterosexuals and there are homosexuals, so it will be so mixed up. But what is the context on Indonesia? Well, it's on my previous reason, which is it worthy? Because you can only earn 81% that men earn, and you will have more hardship. So it has to be considered. Have to be considered, and yes, that's why therefore, working is too sacrificing for a woman, especially if they're not in a marriage. So, in conclusion, I believe that we should encourage women to homemaking instead of working outside because it's against their preference. It's irrelevant economically, and it's too sacrificing for women, especially if they're not in marriage. So, we should imagine this on our head. If we call this freedom, it's actually a devil's spell that is quoted. um, you actually sacrificing so much to the devil. So that's why if you're going to be normal and be happy and getting married or anything, and you don't need to do more hardship, that's we should encourage women to homemaking instead of working outside. So that's all from me. Thank you for the time. I'm Atata Jali. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.